Once you've successfully registered with HMRC for MTD and you've installed and activated Sage 50 Cloud Accounts version 24.2 or above, you can then switch on the MTD option. To activate MTD within your software, make sure you're in the correct company that you want to switch on MTD for, and then open the settings menu, choose company preferences, enter your password and click OK. In company preferences, click the VAT tab and then select the checkbox for enable making tax digital for VAT submissions. A message then appears just asking you to confirm that you want to do this. You click yes. You then click OK. You return to the accounts desktop and that's it done. You've now activated MTD for VAT submissions.